So I am taking two array with same shape. Array underscore 1 equals np dot array. I will pass the value later. Again I am taking one array underscore 2 equals np dot array. So in these two array, the shape must be same. Suppose here the shape is 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 8. Here the shape is 0.3 comma 0.3 comma 0.3 comma 0.3. Now if I want to multiply it, is that possible? Yes, it is possible. Let me run it. Now if I want to multiply, so it means array 1 into array 2. It is successful. We can also do some multiplication with a scalar value. Suppose I want to create one scalar value. If I want to create one scalar value like a scalar value equals to 0.3, this is one scalar value. This is one variable I have defined with name scalar value. Now if I want to multiply 1D array with these two array are 1D array. Array 1 and array 2 are 1 dimensional array. So if I want to multiply this 1D array with a scalar value, this is also possible. Like if I am doing array 1 into scalar value, this is possible. So what is the main concept here? If you are multiplying two array, then shape must be equal. Why shape must be equal? Because in NumPy array we are doing element wise calculation. Got it? In NumPy we are doing element wise calculation. That's why shape must be equal. If in the first array we have 4 elements and in the second array we will have only 3 elements, then error will be thrown. You can try yourself. Error will be thrown. That's the reason the shape must be equal. Got it? So this is the easiest kind of thing. But we are also multiplying with one single value to the entire elements of an array. Like we have taken one scalar value 0.3, and with this scalar value we are multiplying to the each element of array 1. So there is one concept behind this. Let me draw this. The concept is, this is a very important concept. In interview the people will ask with this name. You might heard this name in networking, that is broadcasting. In networking we have a concept that broadcast IP. that 255.2, I think something like this is a broadcast IP address. So what is the concept here? The concept is we have taken an example of array 1. In this we have four element, and again we have taken one example array 2. Here also we have four element. So what is happening in this case, the concept here we are doing element wise calculation. One element of first array will be multiplied to the another one element of second array. This is not the broadcasting, this is just element wise calculation. This is element wise calculation, but when we are doing, when we have defined one scalar equals to 0.3 and we are multiplying with each element with this value, this is broadcasting concept. Means we have defined one common value going outside the box, and this common value, a scalar value, will be multiplied to every element of an array. This is broadcasting concept. This is broadcasting concept. This is very important concept. In interview, the people will ask what is broadcasting in NumPy library. The people will ask in this way. So NumPy uses broadcasting to carry out the arithmetic operations between array of different shapes. In this method, NumPy automatically broadcast the smaller array over the larger array.